The moment everything changed, I watched a colleague, someone I respected, slowly stop thinking for themselves. At first, it was innocent. ChatGPT for brainstorming, then for emails, then for every decision, every problem, every task. Within months, I watched their expertise weaken. They weren't using AI as a tool. They were outsourcing their God-given judgment. That scared me. Not because AI is dangerous, but because dependency is. Here's the thing. I use AI constantly as a language teacher, consultant, web developer and designer, and lifelong learner. AI has made me more curious, more capable, and more passionate about understanding how things work. It's my research assistant, my thinking partner, and my creativity amplifier. But here's the difference. I use AI to learn. My colleague was using it to avoid learning. And then I thought about my students and my own children. What kind of graduates are we creating if they outsource their thinking for 12 plus years? What happens when they enter the workplace expecting to bring expertise, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, but they've never actually developed those muscles? In my classroom, this isn't hypothetical. I teach languages and web design, subjects where you can't fake understanding. My students have to demonstrate skills and understanding. They have to explain their code and defend their language choices. They have to demonstrate mastery, not just produce output. That's when I realized we don't need to ban AI. We need to teach students how to use it without losing themselves in the process. Not as a replacement for thinking, but as a catalyst for deeper thinking. As both a heavy AI user and an educator who's already cracked this code in my own classroom, I knew I had to scale this solution. That's why I created the Responsible AI workshops for teachers, parents, and students. For teachers who are overwhelmed, students who are tempted by shortcuts, and parents who don't know what's happening behind the screen. Because the stakes are too high to get this wrong.